Hi, good morning. I wanted to explain to you what solutions you should use and purchase when you're going to be wearing scleral contact lenses. Scleral contact lenses are a large contact lens, and these help to make the vision a lot better. But we've got to make sure that we don't rinse them with any kind of water. It's only the solutions that we have prescribed for you that you should be using. So the first solution that I want you to learn is ClearCare. And ClearCare solution has a special case that it comes with and has a red top. The red top means don't put directly in your eyes. And it's peroxide based, so it will burn your eyes if you put it directly inside. The case, I want you to notice a few things about. It's got a hole at the top. That's where gas bubbles will come out. And when you twist it, the inside portion comes out. It has this special disc. This part neutralizes the peroxide into water or OptiFree overnight. When you open the cases, that's where you put the contact lenses. Right now we have a colored contact lens in there so you can see it. So you place the contact lens in here, and then you close the case, and they're marked with a little R. There's a tiny R. I don't know if you could see that. And on the other side, it's a big L. So in case you forget, you just do blue right eye, white left eye, and both sides open independent of each other. So the contact gets placed on there and the disc closes. Once you fill the peroxide solution into the case, there's a little fill line, and you only fill it to that fill line, and then you place your contacts inside and you twist. And you'll notice at night when you're gonna put these contact lenses in their case, the bubbles will start to come out of here, and that means peroxide will be coming out of there. So make sure that the next morning when you do open your case and it's neutralized after 6 hours or more of soaking in here, not less than 6 hours, that you don't get peroxide on your fingers. So in order to prevent that, what I tell people to do is take the case out, put it on the counter, and then rinse your fingers so you don't have peroxide when you're putting the contact lenses into your eyes. So this is the solution that I want you to use every night. This cleans the contact lens as well, peroxide, and it's not just straight peroxide, it is ClearCare peroxide, because this is different than using straight hydrogen peroxide. You don't want to do that. Use the ClearCare solution. Don't buy off-name brands. They don't work the same. They're not as good. Buy the ClearCare that we prescribed for you. Soak it in the ClearCare, minimum 6 hours. It could be up to 6 days in there and still be disinfected. And then once you take it out of your case and you're going to put the contact lenses in your eye, then you switch to UniquePh. And UniquePh looks like this. When you open the UniquePh, initially there's no hole at the top of the bottle, and that's specially so that it stays sterile. There's a little button kind of a thing inside of there, and what you do is you open it the first time, push it really tight, and it'll poke a hole in the top of the UniquePh, and that's when it's open and you're able to use it, okay? So the UniquePh is a multi-purpose solution, which means it is pretty safe to put in your eyes. You can clean and disinfect the contacts with it, so in case you drop it on the counter and you need to clean the contact lens before you place it in your eye again, this is okay to use. And these are a little bit tough to find sometimes. You have to buy them online, so you can search for UniquePh online if you need to. UniquePh comes with a flat case, and so if you're going to travel, you might want to soak it in the UniquePh and travel with it closed so that you don't have the open hole when you're traveling with ClearCare. But for overnight cleaning every night, I would prefer you to use ClearCare still. UniquePh just as needed for emergencies or if you drop the contact lens. Now, when you are using a scleral contact, it's okay to put a drop of the UniquePh on the contact just to kind of lubricate it, and then we'll fill with, I prefer AddiPak. And AddiPak, the way this works is they're individually packed like this, and you tear them apart so that you have one open, and then you open that, and that is a sterile saline that you use when you're gonna place the solution into your contact lens and then place the contact onto your eye. The sterile saline won't harm your eyes, and that's gonna be on your eye all day long. So never put straight UniquePh, fill up the contact lens, and then put it onto your eye. You can put a drop of UniquePh. The rest of it will be the AddiPak, the sterile salines, and then you'll place it on your eye. So otherwise you'll have preservatives on your eye all day, and that can sting and burn. So I hope that was helpful. Please make sure you stay with the brands that we asked for: ClearCare, UniquePh, and an AddiPak, which is the 5 ml sterile saline solutions. It says on it, solution for inhalation. So if you have any questions, you can call our office, 818-678-9133, and good luck with your scleral contacts.